What is Yawm al-Mithaq, the day of Am I not your Lord?
Yawm al-Mithaq, it is the day when responsibility will be, you can say, will fall on a human being. Because it's not possible logically that, for example, sperm falls into the womb of the mother. Not possible that this, like a sperm, responsible to pray 5 times a day, responsible to believe, responsible to do this, is not possible. Okay, as well as not possible that this guy, 50 years old and not yet responsible for what for his actions. You know, we carry on saying no, he's not responsible, let him to destroy, let him to do whatever, is not possible. Means 2 ends are agreed upon. Okay, sperm not responsible, 50 years old guy responsible. But then when exactly this responsibility starts? Okay, so we say that what we call Yawm al-Mithaq. That is the valid position of Hanafis. But we have this opinion which is supported by our Shafi'i scholars, means Malikis and Asharis, and big number of Hanafis also, maybe all of the Hanafis, latest Hanafis, and all of the Hanbali and Salafi scholars. They say Al-Mithaq is before we were created on earth, before we were born, and even before. So straight after Adam a.s. was created, God actually took out all of his descendants from his back spine and made them into 2 groups. Said, those are going to the hell, I don't care. Those are going to paradise, I don't care. And then he said, "O people, isn't it me who actually is your Lord?" All of the descendants of Adam a.s. said, "Yes, you are the one." And then Allah did put them back to the back spine of Adam a.s. and that is actually the Yawm al-Mithaq. Mithaq is agreement. Mithaq is a day of agreement. So you make an agreement means responsibility is on. It is turned on now. Okay, so that is the opinion of all of them groups that I mentioned. Okay, but the actual position of the Hanafis, Maturidis, and the position of all of the Mu'tazila, we do believe that Yawm al-Mithaq is when person will reach the age of maturity and start thinking and will observing, and his brain functions perfectly to take the responsibility. Now he's aware what is black and what is white and what is good and what is bad. Okay, so now he's aware. So we say that what day of Mithaq is, means the time when actually you become responsible for your actions, for your belief and disbelief, for your oppression and justice, and for your good and bad. So that is the opinion of Shaykh Abu Mansur himself and all of the Mu'tazila, and that is the opinion that I follow. The second opinion, I don't believe that is possible, because that is clashing with actual Quran, with actual text of Quran. So that is weak and not reliable.